Welcome to HK Auto Garage. Today we're delving into the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup, a remarkable fusion of classic design and modern performance. This reimagined icon pays homage to its 1950s roots while embracing contemporary automotive advancements. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 3100 showcases timeless styling cues such as a prominent chrome grille, rounded fenders, and a distinctive step-side bed. Modern touches include LED headlights and taillights, seamlessly blending retro aesthetics with current technology. The truck's wide stance and chrome accents exude a commanding presence, while the bed offers ample space for cargo, catering to both utility and style. Inside, the cabin harmoniously combines vintage charm with modern amenities. High-quality materials like leather upholstery and polished wood accents create an inviting atmosphere. The dashboard features a retro-inspired design, housing a modern infotainment system with a touchscreen interface, ensuring connectivity and convenience. Comfort is prioritized with supportive seating and thoughtful ergonomics, making every journey enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 3100 offers a choice of powertrains to suit diverse preferences. A 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers robust horsepower and torque, providing an exhilarating driving experience. For those inclined towards sustainability without compromising performance, an electric variant is available, offering instant torque and impressive acceleration. Both options are paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, ensuring a responsive and engaging ride. Pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup reflects its status as a premium offering. The base model starts at approximately $45,000, with higher trims and additional features pushing the price upward. Given its limited production numbers, securing one of these trucks may require prompt action. In summary, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup masterfully blends nostalgic design with modern performance and amenities. It's a testament to Chevrolet's ability to honor its legacy while embracing innovation, offering enthusiasts a vehicle that's both a joy to drive and a piece of automotive history. Thank you for tuning into HK Auto Garage. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth automotive content.